Is Tangerine Bank down? Have you ever felt that sinking feeling in your stomach when you try to access your bank account and it's just not there? Or worse, it says it's down. That's exactly what happened to me recently with Tangerine Bank. So, let's dive into the question, is Tangerine Bank down? Tangerine Bank, formerly ING Direct, is a popular online bank in Canada known for its high-interest savings accounts and no-fee banking. It's a go-to for many Canadians looking for a simple and convenient way to manage their finances. But what happens when this trusted institution seems to disappear? It all started on a seemingly ordinary day. I was trying to check my balance, and suddenly, the website was gone. No error message, just a blank screen. I thought maybe it was just a temporary glitch, so I tried refreshing the page. Nothing. Panic started to set in. I checked my app, same issue. I wasn't alone. A quick search on Twitter revealed a flood of tweets from other Tangerine customers experiencing the same problem. People were sharing screenshots of error messages, expressing frustration, and asking if anyone knew what was going on. The Tangerine hashtag was trending. As the hours went by, Tangerine finally acknowledged the issue on their social media channels. They apologized for the inconvenience and assured customers that they were working to resolve the problem as quickly as possible. However, there was no specific timeline or explanation for the outage. The response from customers was mixed. Some were understanding, recognizing that technical issues can happen. Others were furious, questioning Tangerine's reliability and demanding compensation. The situation quickly escalated, with some customers threatening to switch banks. Is Tangerine Bank down? So, to answer the question, yes, Tangerine Bank was down. But why? That's the million-dollar question. While Tangerine didn't provide a definitive explanation, there are a few potential causes. Technical glitch, sometimes, unexpected software or hardware failures can cause widespread outages. Cyber attack, the possibility of a cyber attack cannot be ruled out, especially in today's digital age. Maintenance, although less likely during peak hours, Tangerine might have been performing maintenance that caused disruptions. Fortunately, the Tangerine outage was resolved after several hours. Customers were able to access their accounts again and hopefully, the incident has been addressed to prevent future occurrences. However, the experience has raised questions about the bank's resilience and its ability to handle unexpected disruptions. This incident serves as a reminder that even the most reliable institutions can experience technical difficulties. It's important to have a backup plan in case your primary bank goes down. Consider having a physical copy of your account information or using a secondary bank for daily transactions. Is Tangerine Bank down? As of now, it seems to be back up and running. However, this experience highlights the importance of bank reliability and the need for institutions to have robust systems in place to prevent and address outages. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.